What is a simple pendulum and derive an expression for time period? A simple pendulum is a point mass suspended from a rigid support by means of a weightless thread. In the diagram you see, this is a simple pendulum of mass m. It is attached by means of a thread of length L. The thread is attached to the rigid support. The weight on the simple pendulum is mg. mg can be resolved into two components, mg sin theta and mg cos theta. mg cos theta balances the tension T and mg sin theta drives the simple pendulum. So mg sin theta is the driving force. Torque acting on the pendulum is equal to tau. Tau is equal to minus mg sin theta into L, but tau is equal to I alpha. So I alpha will be equal to mg sin theta into L. Since theta is small, so I alpha is equal to minus mg theta into L. So you can write I alpha is equal to minus mg theta into L. But alpha is equal to a second derivative of theta with respect to t. So you can write d square theta by dt square is equal to mgl divided by I into theta, that is equal to 0. This is equation 1. From equation of simple harmonic motion we know tau equal to minus omega square into theta. So d square theta by dt square plus omega square theta equal to 0. This is equation 2. So from equation 1 and 2, omega square is equal to mgl divided by I, but I equal to ml square. If you substitute I equal to ml square, omega square will be equal to mgl divided by ml square. So omega will be equal to gl square root. But we know omega is equal to twice pi by t. So twice pi by t will be equal to g by l square root. So t will be equal to twice pi square root of L by g. This gives the expression for t.